Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with opening the Play Store, and actually before, make sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and I highly recommend to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Let's enter the Play Store and you will be able to follow all of my steps. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can do it either right now and simply add it, or you can do it through the settings, and you can of course check it on our different tutorial of how to do it. And now let me quickly enter the password so we can go on. Alright, so here we've got it, and now all we have to do is to tap on this circle, which is our account basically. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and then enter Manage. So here we have to tap on Updates Available, and here we've got the apps which are currently installed or on our device. However, we've got the updates for them. If you want to, you can mark all of those apps. If not, just choose specific ones. I'll choose maybe Google Chrome, maybe Booking, and maybe Facebook. So after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.